everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Antima and this is day 4 of Learn English with me. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and see my 3 days video. So without any delay, let's start. So today I am going to telling you what I am doing for my influency. Because guys, it's most important and I am here because I want to improve my English influency level. So what I do for my influency? Today I'm going to telling you. So number 1 is talk in the mirror. Yeah guys, it's very common. If you are a beginner and anyone are a beginner, then they do one work and this is a very good method for improving our influency level. So yeah, I am doing this work for 1, 2 or 5 minutes because my English is not so good. My English is so weak. So that's why I want to improve my English. That's why I'll do this work. And if you are doing this work, so I am telling you guys, your English is much good than before. So number 2 is you sit in your room and see what would think around to you. Let me tell you an example. You sit in your bed and see what would think around you. Just like there will be a toy, there will be a mirror, there will be a window, there will be a door, there will be a book. Now, so if you want to improve your English, so you want to do this work and it is most important and most common. You sit yourself in your room and see what would think around to you, and if you know something sentence, if you know, so it's okay. If you don't know what is the meaning of this, just like press. I don't know what is the meaning of this, I'm telling you. If you don't know, so you want to learn only 5 sentences. You sit in your room and see what would think around to you, and only 5 sentences you learn every day. Not so much. 5 sentences, it's only 10-minute work. Not so much guys. I'm telling you, if you do this work, so I'm telling you your English is must good. So do this work goodly. Point number 3. This is very good guys. I'm telling you, if you do the third one, then it's most good for your communication skill, because it's my also so much favorite and I'll do every day this work because I feel if we do this work then our English influency level will be enhanced. So do this work without any delay. So the number 3 is you want to sit in your room and thought what would work you do today or yesterday, because I feel if you do this work then your English is goodly enhanced. Okay, so what you do, this is just like you wake up which time, then what you do, then after what you do. So you want to talk in your English language and proper way. Sentence wrong doesn't matter. You want to talk in your English language, so you talk just like that. You wake up at 6 a.m., then you scrub your teeth, and then you drink tea. What do you do? I don't know. So you tell this is in English because it's very good thing to improve our English. And the last one is number 4 is very good thing. Everyone do this work and I'm also doing this work because this work, without this work, we can't enhance our English influency level. And the work is we want to study. We want to study loudly in English book. This is English book. I want to study and this is very good book. If I study this book now loudly, not slowly I read in my mind, this is not good way. If you want to improve your English, so you want to talk yourself loudly, not slowly, and you want to read book. Without reading book, you can't enhance your English influency because it's much important. So yeah guys, this is all methods, 4 basic method which is I use for my improving the influency level. If you like this video, so please don't forget like, share and comment. Bye bye.